Gonna give my honest review and is. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, y'all. Look, today is very exciting and I'm super excited. Like, seriously, but hold on, let me calm down. I need to just calm down because I'm getting ahead of myself. First, what I need y'all to do is go ahead and subscribe to your girl if you're not already subscribed, and say hey down in the comments. I promise you I'll talk back, but let's get into this video. Your girl got a new PR package. My second one of the year. I am so thankful. Like, oh my God, like what? I'm super excited. Like, y'all, it's really just the beginning. Like I keep telling y'all, like one day it's gonna be pounds of PR packages that we're gonna open together. That's just the beginning. But yes, y'all, so I'm super excited about that, and I'm about to just check the product out with you guys. Period. Alright, y'all, so look, it is called Shay and Blue, and it's a perfume. Cause y'all know, like I had told y'all in my last video, like I need perfume. So I'm like, yeah, let's work together because yeah, your girl need perfume. I need perfume. And the one that they sent me, it says lilacs and gooseberries. Never even had anything like this, but this is the packaging, guys. Really cute, very like summer like it's low-key giving like preppy, almost like summer in the Hamptons. You feel what I'm saying? Like, don't this box give that? It's just very sleek, very preppy. Really like this a lot. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. I really don't think I ever smelled perfume that was like lilac and gooseberries. And what the heck is gooseberries? What is that? Sure, I don't know. I like it. Look at it. And it's blue. This is so cute. Do this look like cologne? Don't it gives that, right? Okay, I'm not tripping. But no, it's cute. I really do like it. This is a cute little packaging. I like it. It's cute. But it do give cologne. So it better not smell like cologne. I'll be mad. Because y'all already know me. Gonna give my honest review, and is Shay and Blue. Yeah. Oh, look at the top. That's cute. Shay and Blue. I really like that. Oh wait, y'all, I think I'm gonna like this. Hold on. Ooh. Oh, this smell good. CJ will probably even like this too, because I feel like it could be unisex. Lilac and gooseberries. I would have never thought. Y'all, this smells super good. Very summery. What do it smell? I don't even know what it smells like. It smells like kind of fruity, but not OD fruity, because y'all know I love fruity smells. So it's not that fruity. It's very subtle, but it smells good. It smells clean. Y'all gotta try it out. They call Shay and Blue, y'all. I've never even heard of them, so this is my first time even hearing of the brand. But what I can say, baby, I'll give it like an 8 out of 10. I can't wait to wear this and just kind of see like the reactions that I get from people if I smell good. You feel what I'm saying? Because this smells really good. Okay, y'all, I'm loving it. Okay, Shay and Blue, I'm here for the cause. But yes, y'all, I just really wanted to get on here really quick just to open this up with you guys, because I'm super happy with myself and everything, that I even got a new PR package for this year, like another PR package before the year ends. So I'm super excited. Like, this is really a big moment for me. So yes, thank you guys. I also want to give a huge shout out to Plug the Social for even helping me land this deal. So shout out to them. Period. So look, y'all, this is what I'm gonna do. In this next clip, I'm gonna give y'all a cute commercial. And honestly, guys, I just want real, honest feedback. Tell me if you like the commercial. Tell me what could I do better next time. Tell me how are my angles. Could I have came at it at a different angle? How was the lighting? I really want you guys to critique me, help me out. Let's help each other. Even like if you guys want me to like watch a video of y'all and y'all need some honest feedback, I'm your girl. All you gotta do is just let me know down in the comments and I got you. We all gonna make it. We getting out the hood one day. So in the next clip, go ahead and check out my commercial for Shay and Blue.
A scent that feels like a secret, only you know.
You just get it.
A touch of elegance that lingers all day.
Genetics.
Not just the fragrance, it's the aura.
Make you fall in love. Oh, late at night I'm thinking about you. I wanna try on my fuzzy pink.
Your story began with Shay and Blue.
Okay guys, so I really hope you guys like my commercial. Like I said, definitely let me know down in the comments. But look y'all, that's it for this video. Something short, cute, simple. Had to get on here and make this content. Y'all see me up out the bed. Y'all, I'm happy for me. Like I got up out the bed today. But y'all, that's it for this video. But y'all already know what time it is. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. But until next time, I love y'all. Bye. This do smell good though.